From the scorching hot desert to snow-covered mountains, from ice-cold water to a cozy campfire, this is Only Fan Life. Welcome to Falsterbo. If you are a bird nerd just like me, this is almost holy ground. Let me explain it to you. As you can see on this image, Norway, Sweden and the north of Finland is one big funnel. Almost all migratory birds cross the ocean here. So on a good day at the end of September or the beginning of October, you can see 1 million birds in one day here. But now in the beginning of August it's quiet. There in the distance is the bridge to Denmark. I'm probably gonna take that one this evening or tomorrow.
Like Sunday morning.
Good morning and welcome from Denmark. Today I'm going to Mando. That's a Danish island and it's only reachable when it's low tide. I want to fly my drone there, maybe some bird watching, and I need to shave. My beard is getting too long. I'm trying to walk to the other side. There's a national park, Vaart Havet, but the water is still too high. But as you can see, the tide is still going out, so I have to be patient. It's now 12:30. I've made it across the other side. I know that the water level will be at its lowest at 1 o'clock, so that gives me about half hour, 20 minutes, then I will be going back. Otherwise I'll have to swim. This is the road to the mainland. It's now completely flooded. So I have to stay on the island, I can't go back. And that is doing something with my sense of freedom. But I have no choice. Tomorrow morning at around 11 I will be able to go back to the mainland again. I am now in Germany. There was a big traffic jam just above Hamburg. Here I'm gonna make dinner and sleep, and then tomorrow drive to the Netherlands. So this is the ending of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.
Subscribe for more OnlyFans.